demo, use MCP tools from the VoipNow Provisioning MCP server to automatically migrate and upgrade an existing VoIP setup while preserving the full hierarchy, permissions, and extension configuration. The workflow begins by creating a new organization called migrated org under the existing service provider Cloudcom resellers. To ensure compatibility, the system then retrieves configuration of the default organization, extracting all permissions and limits parameters that must be replicated. These permissions are then applied exactly to the new organization using the permissions management APIs. Next, a new charging plan is created under the migrated org, with the same configuration as the default charging plan from the source organization. The migration process then continues at the user level, where permissions are retrieved for every user in organization ID3. Corresponding users are automatically created under migrated org, with their email domains updated to migrated.local, and each user is assigned to the newly created organization level charging plan. After user creation, the system applies the exact permissions and limits retrieved from the source users to their migrated counterparts. The workflow then recreates all associated extensions for each user, including terminal extensions, queues, conferences, IVRs, and any other extension types, matching both the extension numbers and types from the original environment. All required parameters are applied to prevent provisioning errors and ensure full functionality parity with the source setup. Finally, the system validates the migration by confirming that each user has access to the correct charging plan, verifying that all extensions were created with the correct extension numbers, and ensuring that all users are using the updated migrated.local domain.